So we ended up running part of the race with and oh. Oh, hey there, friend. I'm showing Mia a photo album of our trip to Soundtown. Come take a look. Remember this? We were bird watching in the park and met N. This is N. It's the sound this symbol makes. What do you mean his name is N? I thought his name was N. Well, I know that N is the sound this symbol makes, but isn't it also the name of the letter? So each of these symbols has a sound and a name? Whoa! Let's dive in and learn more about these symbols and their names. When we put symbols together, their job is to help us read. When we read, we're looking at each symbol and blending together the sounds. We can blend sounds like k, and p together to read words. Cup. Each symbol's job is to represent a sound, just like your job is to be a student and learn. But your name isn't student, right? Of course not. That would be silly. Our names and our jobs are two different things. Mia is a robot. Her job is to be a robot, and her name is Mia. These symbols work the exact same way. They have letter names and they have sounds. This symbol says N. Its job is to make the sound N, but its name is N. Whenever we see this symbol, we can say, this is the letter N, and it makes the sound N. Let's look at the word cup again. We can break apart the word into sounds, and we can also use the letter names to describe the symbols. Cup is spelled C-U-P. You might know some letter names already. Have you ever heard the alphabet song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Well, guess what? Those are the letter names. Knowing the letter names will help us talk about letters so that we can write, read, and keep things organized, just like in the alphabet song. Next time we're together, we'll take a look at this photo album and learn the names of all of these symbols so you can become an expert reader and writer. Until then, review what you already know about the sounds. Connecting letter names to their sounds will be super helpful when reading and writing. I'll see you soon, friend, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey.